Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up Android Studio, and with that we are also covering up the Java tutorial series. And I hope you are understanding that videos and enjoying that tutorial series which I am covering up. So today we are working with Java, and today we are building an amazing project using Java here. And today I will be telling you how we can just build an amazing color switcher using Java. You all know that color switcher is a thing which we already build, but we have built that using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But today I will be telling you how you can build an amazing color switcher using only Java. So I hope you will be understanding this video as well, and it will be really helpful for you. So if you understand this video of color switcher, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using Java and many different languages like we are covering up. And you can also check my big videos which I have uploaded that will also giving you help. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can build this color switcher project using Java and what are the things included in this project from start to end. So just like I'm telling you that today we are building an amazing color switcher, and we will be building this color switcher using Java, because I've telling you that we have built this project using HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the previous video, but now in this video we will be building the same project using Java. So now we'll be starting with our project. So for building this project, here I will be opening my folder which is on desktop. You can see Java color switcher project is here. I will be pressing select folder to open this, and you can see this is my file which we are getting. So I will be raising all the codes which we are getting. Only title will be here, Java color switcher. So here I will be now removing this. Now when you've written this, just you have to save this file and move here. So here I will be raising all the codes from here as well. Then move here, and then I will be raising all the codes from here also. So now you can see we are just getting our file. Press Ctrl B to close side panel, and then I will be now opening this file in my browser, which is Google Chrome, my default browser which I am using in every project. So you can see here it is my browser. Press right click to open this. After opening this, here I will be doing it side by side, so I can just get my codes at the left, and at the right I will be getting my interface side. Now we are getting all these things. So here this is my body main tag in which I will be doing my all the codes to build this amazing color switcher. This will be our front end code, then we'll be doing it just styling, and in the end we will be putting the Java code so we can just make the functionality of color switcher. So here I will be now just writing diff. So here you have to create a div. So we will be not doing too much front end work and too much styling. We will be directly moving on to the Java work so we can put the functionality in this project. Then I will be now writing here color scheme switcher. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this, you have to just now move down after this h1. Then you have to create a span tag in which I will be creating a class button. So we can I'm making these three buttons, means I'm making three buttons. So when I will be pressing this button, so our background color switcher, means our background color will be changing. This will be our color switcher, and we will be putting one functionality from which our color will be changing when we will be pressing our button. So here I will be now putting the idea of gray, means this is the color which I will be putting to my button, and when I'll be pressing this gray button, so my background should also be in the color of gray. Then I will be writing here white. You can choose, you can just put any other color as well, or you can choose any other color also. It's your choice here. Then I will be writing class button same, just I will be changing its ID to blue. Then again span tag, and here I will be writing same tag of button. Then here I will be just changing the ID to yellow because I want their yellow color. Then you have to move down, right here h2, and I will be writing one command which will be saying that try clicking on one of the colors. Then I will be writing above. Okay, so here I will be writing above. Then here you have to write span tag, and here I will be writing to change the, and yeah, right here background color, and here you have to write off this page, and you have to just write like this. After writing this, you have to now just move down and write here script, and in a script I will be now writing here source app.js, and now you have to just move down, save it here, reload. You can see now we are getting here our color scheme switcher, and then this paragraph which we have written. Then you have to now just write here the tag for which we can just do some styling here. Then I will be now writing here span display block, then write here canvas, and write here margin 100 pixel, and here I will be writing auto 100 pixels so I can set my buttons and my text which I have just written. Then here I will be now writing text align center. Now here you have to just write button, so I can just style the button here also. I will be giving same height and same width of all the button which I am building here. Border should be solid, so I will be giving here solid black. You can give any other color as well if you want to give. Then give the display of inline block, and here I will be now writing here border radius 50%. Then here you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be now just setting my buttons which I have written here. So I will be writing here color background, I will be changing to gray, and here you have to now write here white, and then I will be now changing its background color to white because I have created one gray button, one white button, and then I've created the blue button in which I've changed the background to blue, and then last was our yellow. So here I will be now writing here background yellow like this. Now you can see we have created this thing. After creating this, we have to now just set the you can say we have now built this color scheme switcher, means we have just given the color scheme switcher here, and now when I should press, so we can just get the background color change, but when I'm pressing nothing is happening because I have not put it the functionality yet. I will be also changing the font effect and the functionality, so when I press this, so I should getting that color which I am getting in my button. So for doing that, just first of all I will be changing my font. So I will be now writing here font family, which should be like uh, I will be writing here open sans, so you can write here like this open sans, and I will be writing here comma sans serif. Save it, reload. You can see now my font family has been changed. You can also take font family from Google if you like that font family which you want to take. You can download it and you can just then paste the URL of that font family here, and you can write the name. Then you can use that font family in your project here. So now I've just moved to my I've just now moved to my JS file, means Java file, in which I will be now running my codes, means I will be putting the functionality so I can give my background the same effect when I press my button. So here I will be now writing cons button, then I will be writing document.query selector. Here I will be writing button tag, then closing this. Here you have to write cons body, and here I will be now writing document.query selector, and here I will be now writing body and write console.log, and you have to write here buttons, and then you have to write here buttons like this and write for each, and here you have to write function and write here button in this. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to write here a tag which should be like button. Then here you have to now write here add event listener like this. So here I will be writing, and then you have to make this tag here and right click function. So here I will be now writing here e, and then you have to just do one thing here, you have to make this, then move down right here console.log. So here I will be now writing, then you have to write here e.target, then you have to close this tag, right here if e.target, then you have to write here id, and then you have to write here gray. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to write here body style dot, then I will be now writing here background color. So I will be now writing here e.target id. So I am defining the id, so when I press any button, so my background color should be changing to that color which I am getting on my button. So here I will be now writing if e.target, then I will be writing id, then I will be writing here white because my second color after gray was white. Then I will be now writing body style dot background color, which I have written at the top, and then I will be now writing here e.target.id. Then you have to now just write here if e, then I will be now writing here target.id, and my third color was blue, so I will be defining blue here. Then write here body.style dot, then I will be now writing here background color is equals to e.target.id like I've just written. Then I will be closing this, and here you have to just write if e.target.id is equals to, and my last color was yellow, so I will be defining my yellow color here. Then you have to just write here body style dot background, then you have to now just do one thing here, I will be writing here color e.target.id, then I will be saving it, and here you can also close this, but if you don't want to close, so it's your choice, you can also not close if you don't want to close. So I will be also not closing this, reload here, and then if I press any button, so I should get that my color should be changing to that. So here you can see my color is not changing here, so it is not changing because we have just now written the button tag here, and we have just written here the function. So you can see in this function tag we have just not given the space, so I will be now giving the space in this function tag, and now we have just written console.e.target, then we have written target id gray. So if I just save it here, reload, then here you should get the color after pressing this buttons which you want. So here we have to link this file which we have not linked here, I think that. So here I will be now moving in this, then I will be now writing here app.js, save it, then reload, and here just you have to now, you can see we have just getting these all things here, and after getting this we have to just check this. You can see we have just getting the button here, and I will be now writing here query selector all, which was my mistake, which I have not written here. You have to also write this. Then reload, press it. You can see now we can just having our color changed, means that it is now working. So you can see like this. So here you can see we have just built this amazing color scheme switcher, or you can say color switcher, which we have built using Java. We have built this project here previously on, but we have used we have used JavaScript in that plus HTML CSS. But today we have built this project using only Java, and you can see my color is changing to that color which is having on my button. So my button is having gray color. When I'm pressing, gray color has been changed, white color like this, then blue, and then yellow. So you can see like this you can do. So this was our project here of color switcher. I hope you understand this project of color switcher using Java, which we have built. This was different project, and I hope this was helpful for you. So if you have understand and this project was helpful for you, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this amazing project using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.